tiny question this time. What is the first thing that you think in your head when you eat a mango? Like, some people can think, oh, this mango is delicious. It's the best mango that I ever eaten in my entire life. Or maybe some people can think this. Oh, this mango is horrible. It's the worst mango that I have eaten in my life. Oh, worst mango ever? Worst mango. And part of that, mangoes are delicious. Very delicious. I think that. Super delicious. Mega delicious. Super mega delicious. You can do a lot of things with a mango. I know that you didn't know that, right? You can eat a mango, you can cut a mango, or you can throw a mango. Maybe you can throw a mango, right? Yeah, maybe that's it. Well, the mango parts are going to be divided into 3 parts. Step 1. Step 1. Step 2. No, wait, no, what the? Step 1, step 2, and step 3. Well, let's start to eat. Mango. Hey, I got flamingo. But the mango. Flamingo. Flamingo. Pretty small, this. This side. I know that you know.
Oh wait, but we forget about something. How do we throw a mango? Okay, here we go. Go! Blah. Hey, that reminds me to the Go Blah video. Hey, that was so funny. You must see that. There you go. Throw a mango. Eat a mango, cut a mango.